Here's a small deal of pieces of bowled opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials wetted. Just need to go in a little bit closer so you get a better view. Okay, I've gone in a little bit just so you can see the stones a little bit clearer. It's fairly inexpensive material. Should end up with a few nice stones, I think. This one in particular. Need to just be shaped. Grind that corner off to get down to the colour bar. A few of these just look like just chips that have been thrown in, like that piece. That can still cut into a little stone possibly. Nice little blue piece on the end there. Almost matrix. Line in the centre. It's just been thrown in. Needs to be ground off there. There's a colour bar under it. It's hard to see in the pictures. But anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.